Rwy'n byw yn Caerdydd nawr, ond fi'n dod nôl i Port Talbot i helpu fy nhad gwerthu crysau tŷ. Oedd fy nhad arfer bia siop gwerthu crysau tŷ, ond wedyn nath e mynd i gweithio yn y gwaith dyr, ond nawr mae wedi mynd nôl i gwerthu crysau tŷ San Port Talbot.
Port Talbot's a bit of a ghetto. I was thought of as being a bit of a ghetto, and a lot of people don't like it because of the industry or whatever, and they call it Port Toilet, which I find to be quite derogatory. So, you know, one of the names that we call it ourselves is San Port Talbot. It's an affectionate name. It's for those who know the soul of the town. And yeah, I thought, let's put a punt on this t-shirt. Let's see what happens. Let's see if people buy it. And yeah, people are buying it. Today, I've had a big order come in from Sydney, Australia, and I've been able to pay my bills. So yeah, I'm really happy with that.